Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the mobile hotspot so the tablet can join it. On your phone, open Settings and turn on Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Once active, note the SSID and password shown. Make sure data is enabled and you aren't exceeding your carrier limit because the connection depends on that. Meanwhile, turn on the tablet's Wi-Fi and keep both screens unlocked so you can switch settings quickly. Once done, you're ready to scan for the network on the tablet. Now make the actual connection. On the tablet, open Wi-Fi settings and locate the phone's hotspot SSID. Tap it, enter the password you noted, and confirm. If the tablet shows connecting but no internet, double-check the password and ensure the phone allows connections. Sometimes a toggle like Allow Connections is required. Once connected, verify an IP address appears under the network details and load a web page to confirm internet access. If pages load slowly, consider moving devices closer for better signal. Finish by adjusting settings to keep the connection stable. Set the phone hotspot to avoid automatic timeout or enable Keep Wi-Fi on while asleep on the tablet. Close heavy background apps on both devices to preserve bandwidth and battery. If you lose connection, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on the tablet, then toggle the hotspot off and on the phone. This often clears negotiation issues. If problems persist, restart both devices and re-enter the password to reinitialize the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.